Yo, so I fell into a black hole of YouTube. It's called like Black Pill. It's basically Red Pill, but even more extreme. It's just a bunch of incels, and all they do is blame women for everything. And that, honestly, and the deeper and deeper I went, I just sat back and I just started analyzing, like, how can you, as a man, sit there and start analyzing the current dating market and assume women are the problem, I'm the solution. I'm okay, everybody else is wrong. I'm okay, but everybody else's standards is skewed. The audacity, bro. Matter of fact, the lack of awareness, bro. No, you're just weird. Like, you're just weird. Chad's not having issues. I sure as hell never had issues. See, as a man, you should be in a constant state of building, creating, fixing, improving. Building the world you want, the life you want. Building the business that you want, the physique that you want, the charisma, the confidence that you want. And granted, by the way, those things take time. None of those happen overnight. It's not like you just wake up and next day you're a millionaire, or you wake up and next day you're confident. For the most part, those things to develop and perfect will take you 5 to 10 years. That's what my trajectory looked like. Go back 5 or 10 years in my videos and you'll see it. It's clear as day. I'm thankful that I recorded everything because you'll see that progress. It's hard, it's boring, it's slow, it's tedious. And that's why most of these guys don't have success, because it's not overnight success. They don't want to put in the work, so what's easier? Join a community of other men that are also weird and then just blame the women on it. And that's where the F up comes. That's where the mess up comes, see? Because the path to fixing yourself is a long road, right? It's a long road of hard work. And that's what people hate, bro. People don't like to put in the work. They just don't like fixing themselves up. They don't like the idea that, all right, this project's a 5-year project. This is a 10-year project. So what's easier? Let's just blame an entire gender, half the globe. Let's blame them. Like, again, does that not process the audacity to even say that out loud? Oh, girls only want tall guys. Oh, girls only want rich men. Girls only want the popular kids. Oh, all women are hypergamous. Oh, women only want the really confident dude. Women only want the athletic guy. Women only want the guy with the... Most of the things that I just talked about there, which, yeah, granted, yeah, women do want a man with money. Women do want a man that's jacked or looks dominant or looks strong. This is understood, and you know what? For the most part, most of you can develop it. Right? 90 to 95% of you can achieve any of those things with a 5 to 10 year plan, right? But it doesn't sound as pleasant. This is why I always talk to you guys. Yo, stop focusing on women, right? If you focus on women, your view is going to be short-sighted because you're going to want them tomorrow. You're going to want Veronica right now. You're going to want Vanessa right now. No, bro. Focus on your purpose. Focus on developing this. That should be your entire focus. So now you have long-term view, right? Now you're thinking, all right, shoot, I want to make $100,000 a year. I want to make $1 million. So we know that's not going to happen overnight. That's going to happen over the next 5 years, over the next 10 years. And you work, and you put in work. Every single day you put in work towards that one goal that you have in mind. The women, that's going to start coming by default because you're working on that long-term goal versus the short-sighted goal. I'm promising you this. You got to listen to your older brother, right? You listen to those dudes, you're going to get less girls. I promise you this. If you're already weird, falling into that trap, of black pill, red pill, all that crap, you're going to get less girls. So if you already have 0 girls, you're going to have negative girls. I want you to switch the mindset. Instead of falling into all that crap, switch into a growth mindset. I want you to create the life that you want. I want you to build up the man that you want yourself to be. And I want you to enjoy the process, bro. Believe it or not, it goes in a blink of an eye. It's fast. It sounds long, but you know, when you're enjoying what you're doing, it's literally a blink of an eye. And then 6 months from now, you look back. A year from now, you look back and you're like, damn, yo, that used to be me. That weird dude was me before. And look at me now. And then you keep on working. And then 2 years from now, you keep looking back and you just see just how much you keep improving on yourself. Yo, the women, that's gonna come by default.